how to turn on or turn off Google Voice typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard, and after click on Keyboard, you will see Google Voice Typing is here. If you want to turn off Google Voice Typing, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Google Voice Typing is turned off. If you want to turn on Google Voice Typing, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Google Voice Typing is turned on. You will turn on or turn off Google Voice Typing from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Google Voice Typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.